Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the intestate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And I feel so mema yenuanom kramofo nyina fishia pa asi Mubarak Kari Sanla Emma omu biara oka kramosom ne ho mema mo nyina fishia pa mesan so de nchia kese e de ama etiefo na ahwefo dodo na ehwe me nyinara ɛnɛ yɛbɛda mo ase sɛ da biara yɛto nsa frɛ mu a na mode mmirika de aba. Ɛnɛ nso saa ara yɛma yɛn nuanom afihyia paa na ɛnɛ nso de yɛka sɛ Otwadeampɔn Adaroma nti no wama yɛn nkwa akyɛ yɛn ahoɔden na yɛmfa yɛn dwumadi a every Friday biara BWF Solicitors Legal Hour so no ɛno no na yɛde aba ɛnɛ na wobɛtie mi na wo nso wode atu anammɔn mbia na wodi wom mbia na wodi nim ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ w'asɛm na mmom sɛnea ɛtie biara when it comes to immigration issues no ɛboa yɛn nyinara nti no mɛsrɛ sɛ wonya baa so a asomdwee mu na wabɔ mmɔden a wapia ne ti kɔ ama onua bi anaasɛ adɔfoɔ bi na ɔno nso nyɛ bi na ɔnhwɛ anaa mpo wokɔpe link na wabɔ mmɔden a wahyɛ to all your platforms no so wobɛtumi akɔ Instagram wobɛtumi ahyɛ wɔ hɔ wobɛtumi akɔ Twitter wobɛtumi ahyɛ wɔ hɔ wobɛtumi nso akɔ X ɛno ne X no wobɛtumi ahyɛ wɔ hɔ saa nso na TikTok wobɛtumi ahyɛ wɔ hɔ na kyerɛ sɛ wo nuanom a ɛfollow nyinaa na ɔmo anya ɛho mfasoɔ na ɔmo nso ɔmo atie na yɛkɔ yɛn nim no me nuanom a moaba afidie no so nyinaa meda mo ase ne deɛ mode mputumpu aba ne ntɛm na I know sɛ sometimes no yɛde topic ne bɛto hɔ saa no a ɛsiane sɛ nkurɔfoɔ bebree na ɛho agye saa topic ne ho nom nti no na mo ahyɛ no fɛfɛɛfɛ na mode mmirika nso aba abɛhwɛ nti mɛda mo ase medi kan ada mo ase na woba so abɔ mmɔden a de pia ne ti kɔma me media ne manyeti na baabi a wohyia me baabi a na wofrɛ me na manyeti a megye wo so ahoso ahobrɛ mu ɛnɛ dɛ ne ɛwɔ menka ne tenten na mmom reinvite me resource person na ɔno nso de nkyia mu ohwam na mu ɔdɛ de ama etiefoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ na afei sɛ update bi egu kwan mu a mete sɛ nneɛma bi mframa bi ɛbobɔ from the east to the west na yɛnhwɛ mframa korɔ no a ɛrebɔ no na yɛhu sɛ ebi bɛka yɛn anaa ɛnka yɛn ɛnɛ mbɔtoɔ deɛ ɛnyɛ nti wɔ biribi a woyɛ ne na ɛbɛboa na ɔkyena a ade ayɔ lawyer Asma me wakɔ aba ɛbɛ dwumadie yi so.
Nia, good morning.
Good morning. Megye di sɛ wo ho yɛ paa.
Me adom paa. Ɛfa akɔyɛ wei so ɛma yɛnuanom kremofo nyinaa baraka de sala ɛnɛ ɛyɛ ɛda kɛseɛ Idil Fitr Idil kɛseɛ paa. Until we pray for Allah's blessings, we pray for Allah's protection, and we pray for Allah's continuous countenance. May the sighting of the moon bring us all the wonderful things that we seek in the year 2026. Baraka de Salah.
Yo, lawyer Asma yɛda ase saa nso na me nso mede me mfihyia pa no ɛma mo nyinaa yɛda mo ase mo baa so a mo aduane no a mokyekyɛ no mommɔ mmɔden a na momfa bi mfa me dan akyi monam no moma no yɛ dɛ paa na yɛ nyinaa yɛanyɛ bi awe saa na nnuadɔ na yɛkɔ yɛ nim na yɛkɔ ne tee yɛda mo nyinaa ase yo lawyer Asma ɛnam sɛ mmerɛ nni hɔ nti no yɛbɛbɔ ne tew na yɛkɔ ɛnɛ topic a yɛwɔ no ɛyɛ fɛ nanso no yɛhu wɔ mframa mu sɛ nneɛma bi ɛɛsense wobɛsie update a metumi ho bi from next month April a na kyerɛ sɛ aka about just 10 days na nneɛma bi ɛba abɛsisi na mɛma wo ho akwanya sɛ wobɛtumi adwadwa mu kakra ɛde ama yɛ atitiriw sikasɛm no sikasɛm no deɛ ba wobɔ na wokɔ w'anim lawyer Asma update no ɛkɔ sɛn
Yo, I'm say updated ɛmu another update kɛseɛ paa no ɛyɛ nea ɔde abɛto hɔ yi nti mama we ready ama etiefoɔ ne ahwɛfoɔ na we ana maka kakra ɛwɔ ho nti na so betumi abom quickly why
yo medase na ne de kan ekrom ha say omo pese nyinaa yekɔ ekrom because sikasɛm na yɛ too much sikasɛm na yɛ too much yɛte bi so na yɛ tu bi mu internet say update from next month ɛreba no immigration fee going up from 8th of April to 2026 but child citizenship registration fee coming down. And it is very good news because we are now around the chromo no. And you know, first one, almost the indefinite leave to remain is going up by from 197 to 3,226. That's quite a lot of money. And naturalization will increase from by 104 to 1,709. Mehu say, are we talking about percentage here? Na say sikapuna ni ebubo so no. And afei ne etoa so third one, a British citizen child allowance is dropping from 1,214 to 1,000. And then indefinite leave to remain or enter from 3,029 to 3,226. And all applications made before 8th of April shall attract the old fee. Hey, let's just say I'm all grace period. I 18 days. If you have any application year based on the abubo dia and the pia ne tiko sisi a ne tua ufi na nya sa increment no ebe count. Last man, bibi wo ho a ebetumi adwedwem wo ho ana.
Sɛnea wokaeɛ no, sɛnea wokaeɛ no, aba. Nti sɛ wowɔ indefinite yi a, bɔ mmɔden sɛ wobɛyɛ before the date no. Nti sɛ wowɔ na wotwentwɛn so sɛ metwɛn a, sika no ebi ɛbɛba abɛka ho. Sisi a no, ɛyɛ 3,029 na ɛkɔ so to 3,226. So you are looking at about almost £200 difference. But with time nso here, there's nothing you can do. Na nkwalaa deɛ no so a bit of good news. But nkwalaa deɛ no so deɛ ɛne de nka wontumi afford kora obetumi ayɛ fee waiver anyway. Penimfoɔ deɛ na ɛyɛ way, but it is what it is. Nti na yɛka no sɛ wo application here for indefinite leave to remain abɔ mmɔden sɛ wonyɛ sure sɛ wɔtam aso a pɛ lawyer no gye akwankyerɛ no sɛ advice say wotam no aso ana na ye ne mfi ho.
Yo, last ma we dem bisa one question pe na yenko enim. Bibi sa yenim say ye eba no ye can say who renew any application bia ana we application bia wo bia eba bewu na wo kwa akoto aso extension bia no. Yenim say ye say at least days are obetimi de aye the earliest and answer the me fa say earliest obetimi de aye 28 days prior to day na ebe expire no na che say obetimi aye application 28 days na sisi aye hu say obi ehu say ade ebe koso embia na me 28 days na bedu hono na 8 na apa ho enti no me de meka akomechi embia na aka me be 2 months more than the 28 days na sa on the 8th na ba be come here. Is it possible say metimi ayesa application and I say home office engine too?
Oh, I say a time because you about 60 months. After 60 months, for example, no, you apply for indefinite or you're about 10 years, which is 60 times 2, 120 months. After that, you apply for indefinite. And I must say, even though we wouldn't trying to last day, no, when a normal circumstances, 5 years now, say the last day na assume me boa.
Yes.
I won't mean trying the last day, anything can happen. No, I'm say which way within the last month. Okay. And just say, we'll say last month, be being the person we had the last 2 months, last 3 months, last 4 months there. Sunday we terminate soon here.
So yeah. Almost someone says he can't into na old Johnny the application about temptem no. Internet just say so well, who knows? And the ana nipa kono wa hwe date no well I'm not say me amadwen pachotie for mutemia we dey me amadwen men kwa nko risk na omo to paper ne end to baby and as omo reject na usika so ye refund wo ho and let's follow the policy. If you are due, just find out if you are due within the 28 days now. You can submit your application na which me a dodge new fee na bano. Yo, last my better see e wo ho. Etiefo na hwefo ene o hwe ya BWF solicitors legal hours so na wo hwe. Me di say baby biara wo ho ye na ye be sha ase ana se ye to aso efre ha no. Sorry. Mesri ni die mo bomode ana share program ne mami na frɛ adofo foforo no mo nso omambe ka ho me nua battle do mami de nchi akese e de mouse anso na dai safo osi rise and shine ampa yeah shiny as I hope everyone is doing well. Well, we need to citizen go be also say good morning all citizen me jiwo so sanso na najima nchi akese enko emma me nua no e wo so nyina Michechia Muninara, Michechia Muninara. Yo, inti ebe koso, ne ahwe bibia yedu no. Say, offer for AMBA telephone lines, no my about next 15 minutes to educate the topic that we have. We talk about it first, then after that, we will open the telephone lines. You can join the conversation or you can bring in your questions, and Lawyer Asma is here to answer you. Enti ye koye nim no ene topic a wo producer mpacho odi to dwa mamia na metumi edwedwemu kakra na yetumi de amaye lawyer na wacheche mu ene say understand the rules when it comes to rules there na manage ho when it comes to rules na manage ho ene say yes mpacho temenka
Mepacho you ye ukasewia na yakọ commercial break na
okay yo understand the rules about switching, understand the rules about varying and then extending a visa in the UK. When it comes to rules there, Obianim say if you don't go strictly with the rules now, you reject it application. Now, senior no, your baby dream, and Chebia Asma bedroom ye. Na mumma min try me hosima. Mentwa me ho sema baako pe na membra me baya na afi ne de dwumedie no na me so me fan share. So I'm going to share my link no na also share with you. So producer ma mentwa me ho sema na membra sisia.
From London to Ghana, yeah. BWF in the house, let's go. Integrity, excellence, we rise together. We stand with you. We stand with you. BWF, when the path is tough, we'll pull you through. From Seven Sisters to Accra too. We stand with you. We stand with you. On the high road in London town, 28 on a house we're found. And Christine the sound. Family, immigration, wills and probate, we're around. 30 years strong in the game. We got a law in our name. When life gets heavy, we lift the weight. Together we claim the fame. Oh, you want a dream? You need a team. BBUF by your side, shine like the stream. From across Golden Dawn to London City Gleam.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Client success. A skilled worker, dependent granted leave to remain despite his overstay. Case overview. Navigating a complex path to successful leave to remain. Our client was a dependent partner of a skilled worker with an initial leave to remain until 2027. Unfortunately, his partner's employer canceled her sponsorship. They both received a letter from the Home Office canceling their visas, which were due to expire in December 2024. His partner found a new sponsor, who issued her a new KOS in December 2024, with 3-year sponsorship. She applied for further leave to remain before the end of the visa cancellation and was successful. Sadly, our client did not make his application. By the time we took his case, he had overstayed by 10 months. He explained that he didn't know he had to make a new application. The challenge: seeking to convince the Home Office to exercise its discretion in his favor. We made his application as soon as we received his instructions. We prepared a detailed cover letter to explain why the Home Office must exercise discretion in his favor, despite his having overstayed for more than 10 months. Our strategic approach for a successful application. We relied on the Home Office's discretion, explaining why he thought he didn't have to apply for further leave, although his wife had. We relied on the Home Office guidance and supported our representation with factors highlighted in the guidance notes. The updated Home Office guidance confirms that discretion may be exercised where the delay was beyond the applicant's control, or where the individual acted in good faith and has otherwise demonstrated compliance with immigration law. The outcome: granted 3 years leave to remain. Our client was granted 3 years leave to remain just a week after enrolling his biometric data. Takeaway: caseworkers may be able to exercise discretion under exceptional or compassionate circumstances where the application was submitted after the 14 days set out in exceptions for overstayers. You must always consult a lawyer when faced with such a complex issue. Facing complex immigration issues? Contact BWF Solicitors today. A successful customary proxy marriage application without leaving the UK. Case brief. The client came to the UK in January 2023 as a dependent partner of a skilled worker. Unfortunately, the relationship broke up because her husband had met another woman. The husband reported their relationship breakdown to the Home Office, and our client was sent a revocation letter, giving her 60 days to find another visa route or leave the UK. She met her childhood boyfriend, who had been pursuing her since she arrived in the UK. Challenge. They decided to get married. However, because the time available to her was short, we advised them.
Maybe Kaka say topic na yebeka no understand the rules and about switching. Let's just say switching no you can't switch na just say you have one state now will switch up another status. One status to a different status and then all switch it. And also no yes idea na whatever visa would now so now will switch up another visa no or more and who and she share or say okay. Nti no na ene ye ba behwe say rules ben ene wo because ɛne nam framemu obi ase o na lawyer no so obeji extension ama me extension based on what extension so obema home office dey make akra aka me ho egyina dem so ene ye ba behwe embia na wo obi aka tro so ma ye bibi switch ama enti ma switch ama wa extend wo visa na ma e wo kwan ben so ususu a unnim adepote a wo switch ma no me bomode a me sere wo se twe ben ene edwumedi a ye no na obeti ase no ehu se ugina yie ana se ye de wo nan baako esi nsuo mu na baako nso gina enotie mu eno nene ye ba abedi ho enkomo enti if you are here and afe na wo adwane ya me se we need mo bo na share program no e de maye na ye nyina ye nko enim tin yo enti lawyers ma mesa to nsa e de afra obiom. And then the topic Amako Kukurabani say is understand the rules. So it's basically all about the rules. Battery, yeah, switching visas status ne ho. Enti ye be hwe say yes, stand say ye very nitene tie bia no. Ye be hwe rules e wo ho se ne be ya ye be hu say ade na ye no ne kwan so a ne ye ana say obi de ye nan esibone. Iti wadaroma ehe na ye nhya asemfiri. Rules ben na o se ye hu when it comes to switching.
Yo, me that say, na you were cheerful ni ahwefo senior ye kaye no, and ye hwe say obi say or switch ni visa, obi say or vary ni visa, obi say or extend ni visa, then na mmra no eka efa saa nyoma miensan yi ho. Edi kan ye ka say ye switch ye vary and say extend ya, mmra na ho no clear. Ye mmra na ye be kotu na mmom ntiasie bi na yepese yenya ewo saa adwumadie no ho. Like obi say or switch ne visa. Na just or visa ay tumi de switch e ma ne yeye. Santi or two o fi bebi o wo no akọ visa foforo eso. So what the visitors visa ana ewo UK a untumi switch ma ne yeye because enye switchable. Untumi switch and convert enko bibi foforo so e ma ne yeye. Nti ekase ya switch a na chansa wo bi na wo de kwasesa foforo. Wo bi na wo de kwasesa foforo. Nti so obi kasa me kwaswitch me visa na so ma switch ama wo a. Bisansa na mi ami ne bi e na nam de akwasesa foforo. Anasa ne ami wo no yase mi ntumi fa kwasesa foforo. Nti adan nti na wo se obesesa ama me. For example, we a student. Wo pesa wo skilled worker so. Ye ni so mo sesa saa emra no long time ago, somewhere July 2023 hono. So we a student. Untumi first student visa no consistent skilled worker visa. Unless we a school. Unless we cars na we buy no we use we. Now we so say o ba switch. And so be so best switch ama we a student club best switch ama de okwa care. And so de okwa bibi foforo no. Na akwanya ben na ewa nipa no betumi aye ne saa amawo. Nti switch no wo na wo de kwasesa foforo. Visa ni bi omo a wo a wontumi fa kwasesa foforo. Nti visa ben na wo a wontumi fa kwasesa foforo. Student visa wontumi kwasesa enkwaje skilled worker visa. Tiboma yensha no so student visa wontumi kwasesa enkwaje skilled worker visa. Visitors visa wontumi kwasesa emfa nkwaje skilled worker visa. Visitors visa wontumi kwasesa emfa nkwaje skilled worker visa. Enti sa wo ye bibisa asesa wo hwe se nya wo no obetumi da kwasesa na se wontumi emfa nkwasesa. Enti se bia wo ye student wetumi aswitch akọ spouse of a British citizen and a spouse of someone with indefinite leave to remain. But untumi switch enko, for example, spouse of a skilled worker, and as a untumi switch enko skilled worker. we a student nso a obetumi aswitch akọ EU so ema na yeye wo switch out anasa wo transfer akọ EU so ema na yeye nti before obetumi a transfer no na wo visa no enwuye so visa na ewudi a wontumi ye transfer ma ni yeye tuma yenhye ehwo no nso yakọ variation anasa varying your visa to vary in say ewo ho a edem but na edem no wo mpɛ sɛ ombetu ho anamo ama wo nti wo de foforo akọ replace na edem no ana your friend of variation eno de bibia eni eho restriction ɛwɔ variation eno ɛho no ɛyɛ obi a ɔde bia administrative review edem na ɔse me varino akọ skilled work visa eno no untumi nyɛ de saa mani yeye untumi nyɛ de saa because decision no hwehwɛ a omo make wie nti variation is say you have a visa pending visa no decision no embaye na wasesa wadwen sɛ wo pɛ visa foforo nti wo de foforo atum na wo de foforo atum no wo mpɛ sɛ wo beyi ne ɛhɔ no na wo de foforo na akɔmɔ mo saa nti wo de replace nti sɛ wo replace a na edem no a your friend of variation example wo visa dem a ɛyɛ private life and I say any human rights application edem or even skilled worker visa edem any other visa at all na edem decision no mbaye na why wadwen say na edem no wo mpa biom ti wo ye foforo a no so wo akwanya obetumi aye ti wo start foforo no wo start foforo na baby son say wo application bi demu ana wo baka say ane na wo de na edem no ne number no reference number no ahye ne a start no eso tina abanisa na chese new one no a start no ebe take over na ewo mu no a decision embaye no we call it variation of a pending or of application that is awaiting decision. Ye kan ina no ye say decision maye. The moment a decision aba no untumi vary no kuma yensha no so decision aba dadade a untumi vary no to obi o ma or train employer so obama no COS or train employer so obama no COS and at the same time no officer okono kromu a bibinti untumi survival into the application atum say mama me human rights be a friend of private life fi say me kwame kroma me ntumi survival meanwhile me need 20 years into UK mu enti me the private life atum or the private life atum no or train say decision baba no 1 month 2 months in employer friend say home office for the COS number enti omagine de yed ne de ma no Sanin pay obetumi asesa sa application na edem no ana. Yes. Because time what this application is too no. Na ne visa no a okra no enwuye. Eye skilled worker visa na enwuye. No the human rights ni too no. And that's a private life application ni too no. Private life no all train decision no mbaye no. Na wasesa na agency o person of course all your application for fraud. Skilled worker visa. So you must start a skilled worker visa application. No? Now the private life and I say whatever application or all train decision reference number no I share skilled worker application form no so. Let's just say near all train no or make a decision be the new one or they kono and na make a decision. Until natural say wa very near a demo no for the new one. We're vary near them no for the new one. And you know, and you switch and as a transfer, name just say, was some radin, say on person your dear tumino, mano and who embuaye, and she or the fufro air quase, mumfa way and replace it near a demuno, na mumfa embuaye and mammy new one way. Variation. So you can vary any application at them for a new one. Any application at them for a new one. So time I would the old one to muno. Now what visa and we are varia still on your right under section 3C no will remain. The same way so we switch it na and we are old one we are your right under section 3C will remain. Now extension. And that's extending your visa. So now you know tiano uobi and I will twaso. Uobi and I will twaso. O twaso aquahin. O twaso aqua the same type of visa. You are switching from one type of visa to a different type of visa. Variation, you are varying from the near demuno to the same type or near demuno to different one. But extending there or extension there, you are extending your one. It is a skilled worker now who extend it to skilled worker. So 2 years now who extend it to another 2 years. So 5 years now who extend student visa now who extend it to a student visa. Obviously, say post-study visa you cannot extend post-study visa. You can switch your post-study visa to another visa. You cannot extend it. Because post-study visa near the man once. Near the man once na ewu a untumi ntoaso. So then obeka say me kwaji bi atoaso because near me wano ewu. Mama yensha no so. Nti so obi e skilled worker visa na ebewu ende. Na lawyer bi ka chan say Fabra, ma extend ya ma wa ayantro. Let us a lawyer no onim nia oka. Because won't me extend it. As say or extend it to the same category of visa no. In the skilled worker to skilled worker. But nipa yesu bia ye twa ne employer license mu. Into onya foforo. Anasa wa hwehwa onya foforo. Na bia o say ende me kwa me baso. Anasa me kwa me yere so. Eno no enye extension. A switch. Or switch it from skilled worker visa to another type of visa. And here now will be friend as a lawyer. Me per extension. Question visa ni say. Now one no time aso na wo to aso ana. Anasa na wo na open say wo fi ho ko bibi foforo so. So wo fi ho ko bibi foforo so a enye extension, a switch. Na say na wo no na wo to aso dia and the enokre so we extend it because ebewu into say we extend no. But we extend no a we say still I know qualify and because already you qualify near the mao. Say a skilled worker, you qualified, you met the requirement near the skilled worker no visa no mao. And just say otamo aso na ebewu a na employer no say ohia wa obema another COS na wo de ato aso. Nti we ni enyoma SSA ye hye no enso. We were switching, varying and extending your visa in the UK. But the analysis na question bi o ho a fide edibi aka ho.
Okay. Yo, lawyer Asma, you better say nincheche mo a o de ama ye ne no we ma ye hu difference no. We be say minimum edume ya nso ene pa na mesua the difference between switching, varying and then extending the visa. Sounds na me dey say onua dofo a wo hwe me ana wo tie me wonso embia ene wehu difference a ewom se na ebe ya o ye ne ugina so status a ugina so at the moment no wo bedi ho dwuma na wehu baby a wo dey fa switching no aye very clear e dey amaye very no so aye very clear na no na che say e replace eno ni sa replacement no eno ama a whole lot of example a ubetumi e dey aye sa particular bearing your status and as your visa no and afa extending nso so wehu na last man ye koye nim no enche bia maybe telephone lines no se na ebenya more calls abem because when aye clear pa e dey amaye na ye koye nim no se me ye student se na wo ka no student no se wo wie school no na wowie nko ade a na bibia che se wowie de a any wetumi switch to any into the skill worker route ne so na memfa ne say me wie to you can say me wie student na me san kwaji sa 2 years graduate eno ne extension na graduate visa 2 years na ye de momo na omomfa mpe no kram say ya te so kakra but my name I stand to be corrected na wakoji sa eno no eno no okita eno bia obetumi switch into skill worker na bra we wie school na embia o visa na o student there na nsheda enwuye but we wie school embia na month kakra bi go so ho na obetumi there as switch into skill worker no and also we first application to be granted the graduate route no a graduate visa no and sana why you switching no pacho ho no betumi edwidwi mu kakra de amaye.
Okay, so the woman say student visa no ewu a ewu se say we ko okrom and say person utine mu age say human rights application e betumi akwaso say wo ba and say wo yere eba because we visa na ewu but na aban here say so bi eba na obesua ade a we nya skill we nya knowledge e wa de sua no mu enti say so obekọ no krom na the fresh idea na akoma no krom no ne man no yama ne ntina mu on fresh idea no embo ayen see the policy logic and what no we introduce post-study working visa for graduates enti eno no a new type of application oh yeah and yet extension and also a young say a switch your friend say a top up na wokoji enti but before I obey no na o student visa no enwuye before I work akwaji no na o student visa no enwuye na number 2 na we wie school enso to we school when your certificate o student visa enwuye which me ISA graduate visa application no nti na ye hwemu pa under the 3 categories no yentumi nka say we extend o student visa because we won student so biem yentumi say nka say we very no nti na ye hwemu an e beka say ndia wo de student visa no e kwasesa akwaji graduate visa meboa enti ehwo no ye beka say we switch from student visa to graduate visa but it's not about just switching because you have to complete the course. Tinyesa midway in your course and I will say switch what's the sawage into switch akwa and so and you're possible. There's a different type of visa a top up be a okwaji abra we school now student visa no enwuye enti so uwo eno a ukwada eno so a ubetu ehwo ne de ubetumi aswitch akọ any visa atọ a upese ukoso say uko skilled worker so uko 2.5 family so uko spouse so uko EU so uwo posted in so a utumi a transfer anasa a switch ekọ bibia upebia.
Yo, Asma, ye bedasi. ɛwɔ hɔ yɛate aseɛ etiefoɔ na ahwɛfoɔ wowɔ question bi wɔ hɔ a wobɛtumi either sɛ wobɛtype de aba Facebook ne so anaa YouTube ne so anaa baabi a wotie yɛ firi no na afei nso wopɛtumi afrɛ telephone lines no na webisa wo nso wodeɛ switching and varying any extending no yes really straightforward lawyer asma acheche mu ama yehu na yenko yenim se afe no adwene ya aha ye BWF solicitors legal hours so na wo hwe me say baby biara a wo hwe ye fi no obeka ye ho na why extend it by you can say sharing the link no se ne obi nso benya ho emfaso e de ahwe ne ya cheche mu emkire se ufre a eno ho asem na so obetumi ebisa any immigration asem bia asem how o nkrata asem ho betumi ebisa na lawyer Asma eyiwa no e wa ha se na ye sha se na ne menia na nanie na etisen megiri se baby ara wo ho ye o se Kofi came to the UK in 2023 and to study for a master's degree, bringing his wife and the two twin boys as dependents. He has now finished his studies and is on a graduate visa. His plans to switch to a health and care worker visa to stay in the UK, likely with a job under Occupational Code 1635. He wants to know, can he include his wife and children as dependents when he applies? If not, what visa do they need to stay legally in the UK? Wait, there is a question here. You bisa last week, asem say pepe you bisa ho asem. Enti lawyer Asma, Kofi asemi obey ne den ha adwen yi or graduate visa ne so. Enti or switch to healthcare. Na just say we fit graduate visa ne so. And then nebusuafo na code na ye de ama no entumi cover mo no de na so mo ye fa ho ana ebetumi akover mo esan so mo free graduate visa so ana pacho se ncheche mu bi wo ho a obetumi
right. Yeah, nti number one, the answer is no. On to me, dependent no entumi join no because 6135 code no a general care workers code. And no omuchemu from 11th of March 2024. So to me, Emma dependent and Kosubi to Nkwa. Intaje so ọma na yere nso pe application na ọno so nya adwuma no bi. Then ọba no so betumi anya ne de. Ọba no nya ne de na ọno so nya ne de a na ọma kwesere aban se yenim se yemba entumi nkoso. Ba me wo me de, me yere so wo ne de, ye ntumi enko Ghana because ye adwuma. And say ye wa ha say. Nkola no ntumi nko enkwetena ho alone. Yesra mo a yensa eda yensa yem ekotodwe egu fom. Mu exercise a discretion that is favorable to our children. Na mu make a decision outside the rules, even though they don't qualify as dependent. It is a modi won be gu media no so, and as a modi won be gu meyere omo ma media no so. Na yin na itumi atena ha. Yes, omo kwa omo miserable. Then they are pleading for their children, but he cannot go and plead for the children and the wife to be put in this.
Ha dwen o na anam bisa se omo yes amra ne kra omo kwala na se me kru na so mfa emma na me ma ne so nti se me ne me ba enko na wa ha na me ba no me makonya 6135 ibi na akwala yi mintime emfa ne ento so a does that mean say ne o se akwala ne be illegal until when oba be done illegal na so me to akwala ne come back home say Emrano or say lawyers, yemfa ye timbom ni enye hu bibi na omo nsese omo adwen because and in the natural world no man omo ka say humanitarian and I say human right no ho no me my opinion no etosini kakra na yenhwe se be ye a yo when so type e de aba yenkin kan o say good morning lawyer good morning manyeti the question is so say I was granted ILR under EUSS as a spouse to an EU national in June 2025. However, before I was granted a pre-settled status in June 2020, I had overstayed my visitor's visa for about 1.5 years. And the question is that please, I would like to find out if overstaying my visitor's visa will have any consequences on my British citizenship application. If yes, what are my options? What are my options?
Now, Pacho, read the bill, mommy, Pacho.
Okay. Or say, I was granted ILR under EUSS as a spouse to EU national in June 2025. However, before I was granted a pre-settled status in June 2020, I had overstayed my visitor's visa for about 1.5 years. Please, I would like to find out if overstaying my visitor's visa will have any consequences on my British citizenship application. If yes, what are my options?
Right. The only restriction illegal entry. Nti sɛ nipa no enter UK legally there, then there wouldn't be any suitability issue. Na mpakyɛ wɔ hɔ.
Pacho mewaha netio.
Me sɛ nipa no ba mu legally there ɔyɛ okay. So wamba legally there, ɛhɔ na problem no ɛwɔ no. You know, say oba legally, just say oba and one call. Then there's no problem. So
Okay.
indefinite there, and one nanka because of overstay, I just will change 20 years. But on our indefinite dada, internationalization and your problem. When you're sure I want a lawyer, no lawyer in your man.
Okay. Yo, yɛnkɔ yɛnim nti ya answer ɛno de ama no baako nso wɔ ha menhwɛ ɛno nso ɔse wei deɛ ɛdɔɔso paa o. Yo, ɔse good morning Manyeti and good morning lawyer Charles. Okay, ɔse I was granted LTR through my child on 10-year route. I eventually switched 5-year route as a parent. I married the mother of my child, but we separated after a year. I just received my ILR in December after the end of my 5-year parent route, and this month I have patched things up with the wife, and we are now living together. I wanted to find out if I can apply for naturalization, considering that my wife is a British. Although my route was not partner route, initially we were separated for 3 years and I live elsewhere, but now with family intervention we are back together. Or do I still need to wait for 1 year more? Thank you. The question and last ma.
Okay. All right. Yes. So now this is the rule. The rule said that if you are a partner of a British citizen and your partner sponsored your application, and throughout the 5 years you've been a spouse of a British citizen and you have been granted indefinite leave to remain after the 5 years, you can immediately apply for naturalization. But what Imrana say? Let's apply the law to the case. Yenye 1, 5 years now, that's no, or that's so as a spouse of a British citizen.
5 years no doubt no.
Was he on as a British citizen spouse?
There be.
No. The answer is no.
There be,
So
yeah.
if no, does the law apply to him?
There be applied to him.
Simple. That's the simple application of that law. So
Okay.
he wait for, he got it as a parent.
Yes.
So he wait for 1 year and apply for citizenship.
Yo, eja ne ponko pentem. Enti na open ntem se na ebe ya obetumi enya. Yo, etiefo na hwefo me bia telephone lines na to me 075 96620 Mesa esisu biom 075 96620 obetumi afre both WhatsApp and as a normal call na also webisa o question na yakoyenim. Yo, obi so bisa Obisa also per se oh patchomebo some type of phone direct sana or say me can sana me dey no o dey about ye can say WhatsApp ne so na whatsapp dey about Facebook and I say ye can say YouTube YouTube and Facebook ne so no dey be direct reading e dey amame last man yenko enim ọkọ pensioner na opese ọkọ ware ne kunu edebra oye pensioner sorry na opese ọkọ ware ne kunu edeba no bisa se saa sikasem na ye ka se oso any a certain amount of money bi ansa na wetumi di ukunu na oyire aba no ono nso pensioner no be apply to ono ana that's the question no
Me pacho ma embra biem.
ne ọka sọ ọyẹ pensioner na wehyia ọdọfoɔ bi wɔ Ghana eja mọdwehwɛ nkɔma na akɔba ne sɛ sisi adeɛ awɔ ne yɛ atwam deɛ nanso ɔpɛ obi abɛka ne ho hye kakra nti ɔkɔware no de aba na obisa sɛ ɔyɛ pensioner ne sikasɛm no a yɛka sɛ ɔsɛ earning I think 29,000 bi no ɔbɛ apply to ɔno ana ɔyɛ pensioner no.
Yes, unless our benefits so especially PIP, personal independent payment, so.
Oh. Hey, last man you say near be hard we na so yeah. Only benefit so I want to be worry na according to Mrano.
No, I'm gonna want to be worried. That's what so think I will remember joining one yaza. Nti we Yoruba ba join wo a wontumi mba no na wonko join no because we dey wotumi ko.
Nti sa no mo pa kire. Why your life na wa ha?
It's a logic. Na a logic.
Omo ka say
wo bre, we pensioner wo bre. To we Yoruba den na go bedi. So be aban how. Yeah, wo kra pensioner. Bia wo pensioner so aban na top up ma wo. Ukofa we Yoruba. Yeah, we na wa.
Sisi anso uji pension na utu kwan pese na freezy. O baba ka na ato so de ama.
That's the rule.
Chromo ha sisa. Everyone I remember the numbers again to call is 07596620154. Obetumi afre both WhatsApp, obetumi afre ya can say normal calling so na yetumi e de amaye. Mestre producer mestre we need mo ye betwa ye ho sima ba kope na ye de aba na afa ye de dwumedie no ato aso nti otiemi ampacho me ntwa ye ho sima commercial break etifo ye commercial break na aba just 1 minute pe na asan ba ye chibio.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner, with over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
Ex-skilled worker dependent switched to 5-year partner route with a new British partner. The skilled worker's ex-partner successfully applied to switch to a new spouse visa as the spouse of a British citizen. Case overview. Our client came to the UK in 2023 with her husband, who was a sponsored skilled worker. Unfortunately, their marriage broke down because she met a new partner. The challenge: divorcing and marrying within a short time. Our client had received a letter from the Home Office stating that her ex-husband had reported that they were separated. She was given 60 days to switch her visa or leave the UK. She was advised that, as they were married in Ghana, she could file for divorce in Ghana. She followed our advice and obtained a court divorce from Ghana. She subsequently entered into a customary marriage in Ghana. Proxies represented her and her new husband. Once the marriage was registered in Ghana, she was ready to make her application without leaving the UK. Our strategy. As a result of the visa cancellation, our client needed to act quickly. We advised her about the lawful way to obtain an overseas divorce under the Family Law Act. Additionally, we ensured that the subsequent marriage complied with the stringent UK laws regarding the validity and genuineness of the relationship. With our vast experience in family and Ghanaian law, we ensured that she had the best chance of success. The outcome: spousal visa, granted within priority processing. The spouse visa was granted within priority processing timeframes, enabling the new couple to move forward with the marriage. This case illustrates how speed and knowledge of family and Ghanaian laws can be effectively leveraged in time-sensitive cases, particularly for dependents facing visa cancellation. Facing complex immigration issues? Contact BWF Solicitors today.
Okay. Yo, it's a for a better mass, say, Monya or Tran home at Tran, na ye quay nimui. Na obin so the question be so at their bar, minking kemona, lawyer asthma, and teacher say, Mania bright, or be say, I am a skilled worker dependent. I came here in 2022 with my wife. She has got her PIN and now working with the NHS as a midwife. Do I still qualify to be a dependent on her new visa? But many are bright in the question ye or qualify na.
Bryce, okay, baby, but you mommy.
Or say or a skilled worker dependent, or he came here 2022 with the wife. Or see the wife, that is, she has got her PIN and now working with the NHS as a midwife. Do I qualify to be a dependent on her new visa?
Right, and Obana switch na.
Or her not just Obana switching to midwife. And as you see, when you're PIN.
Midwifery, but even that, so on your banner buy.
On your banner by 2020.
So on your banner buy na will switch, and so by all means, in case on the switch.
Not just
say a came poor. And say a care, they could have done it together, Anna.
2022 no. Satam na emrano dependent.
What I'm saying, they came together. That's the first
That's
thing.
correct.
No, they didn't come together.
They came together.
They came together. So if you came together, you are moving on. You move on together.
Okay.
The law says that if you came together, that means nipa no buy before I'm rano besisa. Yes, uncle to me no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So at the time, Mrano was okay for you. That's why you came together. And having come together, nobody move on. You move on together.
MBA na or can based on their kind of saying careful they came together and so no or switch here need now or akonya 6135 on to meaning in switch. So maybe that's what he's thinking.
Okay, the only way time I want to switch it together is when nimpa no be care worker after the deadline.
Deadline
Because
nso
nimpa
na
no buy na okọ n'anim a no be kọ n'anim. Obi o
yeah,
ma
na date now you're confused.
obi o ma
Confused with the date.
obi o ma ọba no ọno nkwa na ọba
Okay.
ọno nkwa na ọba as a student. We
Yeah.
school na ọkwaji care. Ọkwaji care no mbrana asesa from March 2024.
Okay.
Nti ọkwaji care no bi April 2024 and that's May 2024. No share no December 2024 ọmọ aware.
Enye yi.
And ọpẹsẹ ọdị n'ekunu to so ontumi because before mmara no bẹsesa na saa nipa no onye onda care no so dada. But saa nipa na ọda care no so dada bi a ọdị fifie na ẹbaayẹ 20 before 2024 change no. And 2025 we share ọbẹẹma no betumi akọda ne so so ọbẹẹma no wọn krataa obetumi da switch here.
Okay.
So those are the nuances of the rules.
Say dodo na nhyɛ enya engrapo understanding ne wɔ hɔ saa switching say code no ntumi switch because say obeto so because yenim say dodo na ɛbaayɛ before 2024 emrane sisano until last my memo just a scenario me ne me kunu ba 2022 the same thing na me visa ne bewu na same bio ma me 3 years into no ewu ye na me ko switch to another na menya the same person to makonya another COS eno no eye 2025 changes no 6135 no 35 no sorry na che me kunu na me ne ba 2022 no obetumi anaso ntumi ne me and switch it together.
Now this is the law. Let's quote the law and apply the law.
Okay.
The law says that from 11th of March 2024, anybody who is going on this for the first time cannot add dependents.
Okay.
The question is this person going for the first time or was there and moving on?
Ohono na fe na me dey afen Matthias here. And the first time no that makes it different. You Yatias here. Let's my Yatias here.
You bet me joining the midwife wife no. Why?
Obetumi. Enti me nua ba ma wotie me obetumi de na aka ho why. Me nua Sherry Fraser say good morning or please share when you join and thank you for your support. Na che say stress mo nyina mo be share. Sanso me de nchi aka say Emma me nua ba Sandra Fraser I say hey now you look sumptuous. Hey me da say me de okasa na me ni age. Enti nyame nsha Dorcas Adam hey auntie Dorcas me te won ka che pay or say good morning lawyer Charles and good morning manyanate meje so horova meje so na yen komo question ba konso e wa hanom me bringing it up na me kan free ha or say sorry okay you or see Janet came to the UK in 2023 on a health and care worker visa with her husband as her dependent. In 2025, she changed jobs under occupational code 6135, but did not include her husband in the new visa. She later divorced him and informed the Home Office. She wants to know, can she remarry and bring her new husband to the UK, or can she bring her children to the UK? Similar, but let's mampacha onya question no.
Yes, she can do both. Bring the new husband, bring her children. However, if the children are not the children of the husband, then she must show sole responsibility or exceptional family circumstances under Appendix Children, paragraph CHI 3.2 ABC.
Okay, because of the old visa ne so. But even though
the right, you know, came from before the law changed.
Before the law changed. Okay. Hey, and where they utira ye, even though ujina 6135 no so no kra utira ye and ye konisa. Yo, take for numbers again to call 075 96620 ye wo mre and mum fret na mum bisa mo question. Many amba ma keke mi te won kache. Me je say wo ho ye. Nansi me wo say wo krusu wo around the Asia ho baby. Yo, yenko yenime. Obensu ebisa. It looks similar. Last one, I think said it looks very, very similar, but I don't know if I should still read it now. Okay. Or say I received a health worker visa with my wife in 2022. The visa was granted for 3 years, and the COS occupational code was 6145. I divorced my wife in February 2025 and informed the Home Office about the divorce in January.
Pause for me. Just
Okay.
take me through the facts. Fact point one, fact near then.
Okay, I'll see. Can I get married again and add my new wife as a dependent on my visa? 2. Is it possible for a healthcare worker with COS code 615 to marry another health worker dependent wife in the UK? 3. Is it possible to book a video consultation with you? And what is the consultation?
Okay. All right. Young the third question. Can I book consultation? That's the question, isn't it?
Yes.
Because so niente opeso book consultations opeso when you all the answers 1-to-1, not
That's
from
correct.
Facebook. The sign that we don't even have to bother going through all the ones he has asked. He's going to have consultation. The answer is yes. Please book consultation and let's go through everything.
Okay.
But for the benefit of other listeners, some
Yes.
will be question, answer, no.
Obi pono,
You
yeah.
go through the fact, the story, storyline about 2020.
Okay, maybe my mean same there. About 2022, and
2022 as a care worker.
as a care worker. Okay, yes.
Okay. And I
And
then
well,
see.
6145 ne so.
Yeah, and I then see.
And no divorce in February 2025.
Okay.
And I say obisa say wakonya. Okay, I extended. Let me read from there. January, or see, I divorced my wife in February 2025 and informed the Home Office about the divorce in January 2026. So I think, or yeah, specific with the dates and figures. I extended my visa with the same employer and was granted another your friend saying
COS.
COS, yes, the occupational code 6135. And that was it. And our questions to us.
All right. And yenny no can in say me ya care, me gusu ya care worker. Me ja me yore. Edi kan metumi akọware foforo na ani metumi akọware foforo. Metumi de naba ani metumi de naba. Na say me wo UK so a obi bi betumi abeda me so na yes, nipa no wo visa betumi aswitch abeda wo so as a spouse of a skilled worker. Nti na nti opɛ sɛ ɔgye more a obetumi ebubu consultation na yɛdi nkɔmmɔ.
Okay. Yo, yenyo odofo bi wa homa ne so. Pacho yetie kasa na loyalty. Good morning, Miss Mejo so papa. Pacho mpeja voice kakra ma me why.
Pacho Matu. Pacho.
Yes, is here there, yeah.
Ọtụtụ bụ asị chịrịchịrị ma obi ya tibi asị ma lọya mpesa okle wee ma obi wọ hɔ a onya misi rules ansa na mmara no ɛba but na ɔnware nti nansan na baabi saa de sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔware saa nipa no obetumi akɔlifai ɛde sɛ ɔne kunu aba ɛna ebie mu nso nipa pano obo ha odi CEOs ni le ba wa be jai ni ku when you need CEOs obetumi akọwari okuku pro ẹdun ẹyẹ 6135 because I'm saying for maybe I am the most type to happen bachelor and person is explain my
Yo, even your bema wo.
Oh, so.
Good, yo. Edi kan emrana say so ba so before year 2 gate ni mu a. So we read mu before year 2 gate mu a. We okay.
Yeah.
Yeni oba mu no na ye bie gate no. Nti oba no na onware ye. Na ya mi adom obewura gate ni mu no wa ware. Obetumi de ne hokafo aba anase onya ne hokafo okromu ha obetumi ama na abeda ne so abra ne hokafo obetumi abeda ne so ana yes because all panu ne odi bewura gate ni mu no advantage ni na no for homa. Na number 2 6135 no na your friend no 6145 into your transition into obi ka say me was 6135 so a bisane say now was 6145 na akoye 6135 ana okasa yes sir that means we read before anyoma sisa hanimpa no the same way oware okrom ha na yiri betumi ada no so e ma na ye but the only time hanimpa no na yiri ntumi madane so is when oba na gate no ya tum
dada
na okofa tokru bi eda ho a na odi be wure mu sani panu ontumi mfa ne dependent and so because dependent ontumi go na sa tokru no bi that's the difference.
Pacho wenyanti ase no
Me pacho Matthias me da sika
yense ye dase no ahia ma me why
Martin na share me
yo it's for nashefo menua bema bi nso bisa sa ejay ankoma or say is a skilled worker going to have any issues when applying for ILR if the partner doesn't stay in UK but visit once or twice in a year?
Well, I mean,
dependent ne dey say no home office in Shadam fan ho sa ana
mean say the day no dependent no na sabro so na mokoya mo visa application dependent no na e bia no ho be chi no because ono nte ha but women person there so there wo na wo kwaje na wo uji bia ma dependent no the dependent na say creative problem man ho there yentumi punish wo
ho and the no true ona o person otna baby na okay yenhwe atokwame so there o say my company license has been revoked since 9 February but haven't got my message from home office yet. My visa is still valid. Should I expect a letter from them or it has been stopped? Hey.
Okay, so
last mama kai August asema o kan last training powers a ghost story no.
So
ghost story training papa.
Can want some chill.
Come on sempa obi afre say lawyer asma ghost story ni the one in town. I'm so say it me on TikTok now you're selling it out. Okay, I took despite the answer you remember is saying.
Yo, until license has been revoked, but haven't got the message from home office. My visa is still valid. My visa is still valid. Okay. Valid. Should I expect? Okay, yes. So I expect a letter from the home office. The rule is clear. The home office has a duty to inform the main person. Are you the main person, or is it my company license? The assume so no your main person, me boy.
Yes.
This one your main person there. The Secretary of State has a duty to tell him, say, this is what has happened, and you have 60 days to leave or switch. And the ones it is good for him. But man, and the mate now I was the time be now when you're ready. So act now.
Yes, ɛno ne ade no. Ɛntwentwɛn so na ɛmba act ne sɛ ɔkyena nko ara na letter no ɛɛba. Nti ɛba ɔkyena nko ara no dɛn na ɔsɛ woyɛ fa ho. Yo, etiefo, ɛm sɛ ɛmre ne kwaa na yɛmbisa Ariel ba nso ne question. I say, good morning, please. I came as a dependent to a school visa. A school worker visa. After 4 months, the men left from home and blocked me since. Later 2 years, I received email from Home Office that our entry was cancelled. Okay, and 60 days was given to me. Please, now I'm taking a legal. Hey, now I'm talking. Now that I'm talking, I am illegal migrant. Oh, area where the kafra why? Ɛha adwen nti wo question ne deɛ sɛ den na wopɛ sɛ yɛ ma wo mmuayɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ I didn't understand me ankasa de a meka yɛ
All right. So now, I mean, no patching in an say in the only case or illegal. The then obey question of farm but I want to dream no. Because why you confused when you claim is an assembly. I can't story.
ɛha adwen
And the woman said, Minia, we overstay. The only thing which man said, Yamiya Adumina Wa, which made you now basso. And I say, Yamiya Adumina worry. Now, minim or your bow.
wansi so area menim area kan ɔyɛ
Na or bass and Yamiya Adumina worry, no wukunu, a bar or shanoa, obey step madam Palano. Colania British, and so indefinite, and so you knew with 5 years, which made Nasa Banumanaso, Aquaji 2.5. Yes, sir. So wow, which made you now about so at 2.5. So ba ne papa really. The word is really. Ubani papa really British or has indefinite. Ubani ya British. Which made you now about so. Apart from where you know, it's a watching with 20 years will come her. No waji 2.5.
hey that benda that is about 20 years last and that from all because you see how
No emotions. We are giving factual response. No emotions.
well, we are in the field where people come looking for work, and you could see that these people are really desperate. There is no other option. More.
Also, a man.
Oh, a man.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
man. You are likely to find a woman who is a single parent and looking for a partner to help her build life. Nti, ubie weni a, ubenya oba nso a no so pa bi obi te say wo. No no abobra obi oba a oye born one and say born two. And I say, you know what I mean? Na uba the life more. Ubeye good and responsible father to the children. That through your good actions or good support for the children, which made you now so I could 2.5. 2 year bema dear, I may bet me I adum, Emma wish here or bar, or no so pet bema single, persons are not on no actually a boom. To be winning a beer was so, a bompire, so ya me a bedroom or bar. Comfort atiti embryo.
Bro. Oh, yo, last man. Thank you for your kind words. Now, my last question, Obisa. Okay. Wait there, more than kakra. Or see, well, or your bar or krum ha na we share branty be our Ghana. Branty any taba hapa. Otaba ha say yamano long visa or bako for the past 5 years no wobɛka sɛ wabaha more koraa kyɛn sɛ nea ɔte na sisi ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmo ware na ɔno ɔbaa no ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔbɛkɔ fie nti obisa sɛ ba ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ pɔpɔpɔpee wɛ nea ɛmu ɔden nyɛ fie deɛ ne kɛkɛ efie deɛ onim sɛ yɛbɛtumi ayɛ abra ɔwɔ ha na mmom ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ wedding wɔ ha nti obisa sɛ aberanteɛ ne visits a ɔde ba ɔba ha a ɔmbɛtumi akɔ register na ɔmo ayɛ wedding wɔ ha anaa and I said, "Tise omukoye ufie na wa invite no de aba." The question, Mimi de kaka say, "So yeah, aware if you aware any dia, and onye if you aware now ma brand and mba. Obe we are no my pop but say senior Mimi can no on team as ye, Tise what free lawyer ano. Into last man, the options they say, oh no, on person be
Okay,
coffee.
all right. Edi kan opese no kunu ba. Eto aso opese omo ware. Number 3 opese omo ye popi e wo UK abontin opese omo ko fa Buckingham Palace ni
Oh,
Parliament House. Obi a
that's
hu
right.
say omo ware e wo abrochire. A good plan. Ti no be ne say be your application fiancé visa, obe fiancé visa manukunu. Ye be manukunu 6 months. Say onko na onko ware ne yere. Obedu UK a obedu UK a within time na obedu na say your application for obedu ya no as say omo eco council na omo start the process to marry. Omo marry a then wire application to remain as a spouse all in the UK. Enjoy the 6 months fiancé visa beba first. Oba na ma worry or mo worry we are not in the visa na to.
Okay, last man, what test about? Or see, or 2 years UK visa on the way in Mudada visitors visa, and apply for fiancé visa na and cancel the 2 years visa na and I had back can with the amano.
Nti yenu den kra na ope
And
so
no
ya
near
visit at the same time ope say or spouse.
or visitors visa 2
No,
years.
but now the point I'm making is say the opening in an say eventually open your visa. Yes,
Sir,
it's a spouse.
so
Yes,
Obetina Kromua.
yeah. Wouldn't you mean but not Chroma with visitors visa? Into visitor visa and immediate, I don't see why. Now make out as a wouldn't you mean but as a visitor, I won't worry with UK. At the same
Yes,
time, person be Ghana, aqua worry with her. Yes, sir. When he
sir.
says, what is the best option? Let me say the best option, say, Eddie can Okakwaji fiancé visa. The moment Okakwaji fiancé visa, no, you don't have the visitors visa anymore.
Anymore. Okay.
Akwaji so be okucha visitors visa. Enwu ye na wakwaji student visa. Will you still need the visitors visa?
No.
No. Now you have a fiancé visa. Odi tu kwan akọ wo fiancé nkyɛn.
Yeah.
Reason a wode kwaji service answer wo kɔ akɔware. Ntu ubedu UK a ɛsɛ wokɔ council wo ne wo yere wokɔ buku sɛ afi mebedu nti yɛbɛware. Go through the process. Nti wo ware wie ya nti wobɛtumi ayɛ popping no 3 days. Wie ya na wonye wo certificate no na wo de akɔ aban mu sɛ afi me pɛ 2.5 because my ba ware me yere nti me bagye 2.5.
Yes.
Nti visa ndie ehia bio.
Another question I put by main time because or take bra book your appointment na bra na what na say was send before can na main kind the last one on the board na for yam fedu media no embewe or say lawyer you know I took Kwame and the question him say follow up or say lawyer please. Can I know if you start an application, does it mean a pending application or unless you make the payment first? Last person,
Okay.
what I say?
Acha say an application that is not submitted is a draft. It's
Exactly.
called incomplete application. Now, the moment I Uber submitting, not just a wait sika no into afidi eko. The same call here is not pending. A pending application is an application that is submitted.
And paid
The
for.
person has paid the fee already, so it's gone.
Okay.
The person has attended for fingerprint and has enrolled biometric data. And the person is waiting for decision. It's the decision that makes the application pending application.
Okay. Last man, on this note, name say me fa calls and I mean can questions biom na menja emma na o summarize my within the next 2 minutes na for yen sorry and aso ne anko.
Viewers and listeners, this morning we looked at keywords within the immigration rules. Switching, varying, extending, keywords. What does it mean when within the immigration rules we say switching? To switch a visa means you have a visa already and you are transferring it to another visa. So you are exchanging that visa for another visa. To do that, the visa that you currently have should be a type of visa that you can exchange or you can trade in for another visa. If it is not a visa that you can switch or trade in or exchange, then you cannot switch that visa. Example, you are a student. Can you switch to skilled worker visa if you have not completed the course? The answer is no, because even though you have a student visa is not a type of visa that you can trade in for skilled worker visa. You are a student. Can you switch to spouse visa if your wife or husband is a British citizen or somebody with indefinite? Yes, you can. You can do that. If you have PSW or post-study visa, can you switch to any other visa? Yes, you can. You are on a EU visa. Can you switch to any other visa? Yes, you can. You are on a 2.5 10-year route. Can you switch to 2.5 parent route under 5 years? Yes, you can. So that is what we mean by switch. Varying. To vary means the application is pending because the decision has not yet been made. You have finished your fingerprint, everything, and so the application decision must come. But whilst you are waiting for the application decision, you decide to put in another application. That means you are telling them, don't make a decision on this one. I'm replacing it with something else. That is called variation. So instead of the caseworker making a decision on the first one, they rather make a decision on the new one you have given them, because the existing one is no longer applicable because you have replaced it with a new one. The last one is extending your visa or extension. To extend means that the visa has not expired and you want to extend it to another type of visa but within the same category. For example, you have 5 years as a spouse. They gave you 2.5 and it is about to expire and you want to apply for extension. That extension is the second 2.5 you are looking for. Or you are on a 5-year route. The first 2.5 is over or is about to expire. Then you can extend to the next 2.5 and extend again and extend again. And after 10 years, if nothing has happened within the rules, you can apply for indefinite. Or you are a student. Your visa is expiring, but you have not completed the course. And the university has given you another CAS to apply for top-up student visa. In this case, you are extending your student visa to another student visa. So the same student visa extension. You are on a PSW. Is there extension? No. Post-study work visa, there's no extension. So you can't say that you are extending your post-study visa. You can only switch from post-study visa to any other visa. In this case, if you are on a skilled worker visa and it's about to expire, you are waiting for your COS, and you make a human rights application with a fee waiver, is that an extension? No, that is a switch from skilled worker visa to human right visa, because skilled worker visa is not a human right visa, it's a work visa. So if you decide to make an application that calls for a fee waiver is only for a human rights application. So the moment you make an application starting with a fee waiver, that application falls under human right. So you are switching from skilled worker visa to human rights application. And that is what people must know. If you have a skilled worker visa and for whatever reason you are making a fee waiver application to be able to make another application, then that is a switch, not an extension. So these are the differences within the rules in terms of these keywords: switching, varying and extending. Let's take note and know the restrictions that applies in each of these categories. Thank you, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Baraka de Sallah.
Thank you, Lawyer Asma. Thank you, Ubibiara Obaso, Yadamunina say. Wa ubisa o question ema o anwaye yejidi say weni aso. Na still I am na bibitre wadwea and Kate, you can book an appointment, come to the office, see the lawyer, sit down 1-to-1. Question bia ne to kure bia wo question mu bia no ubisa emwaye wo ha mo de ma na onso wetu ho anamo. Nyame nka ye na ho na yenyanom kremofo. Until then, have a lovely weekend. Enjoy yourself and make you merry. Till then, next week. Bye-bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specializing in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specializing in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contested and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.